So I'll be installing Windows 11 on this mid-2007 MacBook. Well, first I'm going to have to install Windows 10 on here. And now we wait. Alright, I'm done. Here we go. Nope, nope, nope. And no. And no. No, 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 and no. No, no, no. Skip this. Alright, time to waste 2 hours updating this. So yeah, I've went through a bit of hoop after a couple of updates and a bit of registry edits. I've made it to this. And well, I had to use this GitHub link. So it's this time and it restarted, so let's boot back into Windows. Here we go, there's the Windows 11 logo. Please keep your computer on. Big things coming your way. I think I might be the first person to install Windows 11 on a mid-2007 MacBook. It ran like crap, but it works. Would I recommend you doing this? No. Let idiots like me do it.